Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in today's video, we're gonna be talking about a sensitive subject, in particular, the armpits. Now, a lot of you guys know I love doing beard review videos, and in this particular instance, not only guys, but girls have a problem when it comes to pit sweat. Now, this whole subject came about because of the beard. Now, Beard Brand invited me over to their headquarters, let me hop on their live stream, and in that time, I got a little nervous, I got a little anxious, and with those kinds of things, with a hot environment in the studio, I started to sweat profusely. It wasn't until after the stream I went back and checked out the comment section, and there was an awesome person that mentioned sweat block. And I needed to try this out because I have a really big problem when it comes to armpit sweat. Now, Sweat Block is a product that I found on Amazon. I believe it was between $15 to $20 and has a very big positive review when it comes to protecting your armpits from sweat. So after doing some research, looking at other videos online, it looks like Sweat Block has a really good reputation for people like me that get in situations like that to help me prevent myself from over sweating. Now, the cool part about Sweat Block, it gives you an 8-week supply, all right? So it gives you these individual package, kind of looks like a condom wrapper, but peel it open, you get yourself that wet nap type towelette, you dab yourself in the pits. I do have very sensitive skin, so that really doesn't get my skin red. So this is actually a really nice product for myself, not seeing very much redness or irritation. On top of that, you throw it away, it's disposable, easy squeezy. And package-wise, it's really great. It gives you a detailed description of how you're supposed to use it, gives you a nice breakdown of what the ingredients are. And for me, I have to put tonight on there, so it gives me a big shout out that I have to apply it every week. Now let's go on to the results, all right? I've been using this product for a solid month now. And to show you guys how well it's working, usually shooting in the studio right here, there's really no airflow. I would be dying. I'd have a sweat stain from here to here. But as you guys can see, I'm good to go. And this is something that's really important to me. For someone that's really active, that likes to lift weights, that likes to train Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu 3 to 5 times a week, no matter what, I'm always sweating. My body just likes to produce sweat. And for me, this works really well, and I really want to recommend it to you guys. So for you guys or gals out there that have a really big armpit sweat game going on, I really would recommend this for you. It's a nice, inexpensive route. We don't have to go get surgeries. We don't have to go to a cosmetic laser surgery to get this done. When it comes to armpit sweat, use Sweat Block, all right? Give yourself that confidence that you need, knowing that you're not gonna be sweating in a just normal situation, all right? So like always, you guys, like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!